Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwe's Vice President Dr. Konstantino Chiwenga has arrived in Nizhny Novgorod, Russia for the Digital Industry of Industrial Russia CIPR conference. CIPR is one of Russia's biggest platforms for industrial digitalization and digital economy development. This year's summit is all about data-driven growth, industrial software solutions, and tech cooperation between countries. The timing matters for Zimbabwe. The country is pushing hard to accelerate its digital transformation agenda, and this summit gives VP Chiwenga a chance to tap into partnerships and solutions that can speed that up. Speaking in Russia, Chiwenga also acknowledged Russia's long history of supporting Zimbabwe, from backing during the liberation struggle to standing against Western-backed UN sanctions in 2008. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.